This affiliate program that I'm about to put you guys onto has a high commission rate of 60%. You guys don't understand. DHGate started their affiliate program in 2022. And you guys, this program is definitely on the rise. So since they started in 2022, it's still fairly new. The cool thing about this affiliate program is not only are you able to make up to 60% in commission, you're also able to get free samples. Amazon does not give you free samples. This is going to be amazing for those of you who are literally just getting started with becoming an affiliate marketer. I wanted to make this video as informational as I can because I did get a few questions on Facebook about this affiliate program. So I went ahead and I asked my affiliate manager these questions and she answered them for me. Okay, so to sign up for the affiliate program, anyone can do it. You don't need followers, you don't need anything. You could just sign up if you're a regular person, even if you're not on social media. But in order for you to get free samples as a DHGate affiliate, your application does have to be approved by a manager. So of course, having more followers on social media is going to allow for you to get approved faster. It's also going to allow for you to unlock more samples. If you have a big following, a huge following, then this whole entire process is going to be a breeze for you, as it was for me. For TikTok, you're going to need a minimum of 5,000 followers, and you're also going to have 1,000 views per video. For Instagram, the follower amount is the same, which is 5,000 followers, and your engagement must be 50 plus. So that's 50 plus likes or comments. YouTube is quite simpler and easier to unlock because you only need 1,000 subscribers and at least 300 views per video. And you guys know they have YouTube Shorts. So with YouTube Shorts, you can quickly grow a YouTube channel. So I also had a few people ask me, would they be able to sign up for the samples or as an affiliate using their Facebook profile? So when you go ahead and you go to create an affiliate account on DHGate, they are going to ask you which social media platform you're going to be using. And as you can see by this scroll down menu, they literally have everything on there. They have Facebook, they have Pinterest, they have Twitter, they have every platform listed. So it doesn't matter which platform. So once you sign up for the affiliate program, you are able to start promoting products right away. They have links that you can choose from, or you could use the link creator to promote any product that is found on DHGate. You're just gonna create a custom media tracking link. For me, of course, I do think it's better to have a sample or an actual product that you have in your hand so that you can create content and promote this product, thus gaining you commissions because you're getting sales from your content. Okay guys, so do not run and go sign up for DHGate just yet. You want to finish watching this video because when you're signing up, you do want to make sure that you're putting your WhatsApp. Because let me tell you guys, if your content is really good and the brands want to work with you more, they don't want to just send you one sample, they want to send you more stuff, they will reach out to you using WhatsApp. This is how you're going to be able to unlock a lot of samples, not through the affiliate, because again, you can create customized links through any product on DHGate. So if the brand is wanting to work with you outside of the affiliate, they can send you products and then you just create a custom media tracking link. Okay, so I was asked, what is the best social media platform to promote the products? Hands down, the best app is going to be TikTok because you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys are aware, but TikTok is still that app that you can go to and grow and go freaking viral from one video. So I normally don't encourage viral videos when you're trying to grow your platform, but in this instance, because it's a product connected to that video, then definitely you want a viral video. So on top of TikTok, I'm also using Facebook and I'm also using Pinterest. I do plan on creating YouTube videos also promoting the affiliate links. So once you start posting your content and creating the content, make sure it's aesthetically pleasing and you want to capture the viewer's attention and you want them to feel like, man, I need to buy this product. That is how you're going to get sales. So you also want to make sure that you're using these following hashtags, you guys. You have to use these following hashtags. Don't just hop on these social media platforms and hashtag DHGate, okay? We're not doing that. We're using these hashtags. What are the best marketing techniques? These are my 3 favorite marketing techniques, which are going to be different type of content that you can create. The first one is going to be unboxing videos, which is going to look something like this. You're just going to be unboxing. You're going to be taking the product out of the packaging. You're going to be be showcasing it, make sure you have nice nails. Even if your nails are not done, make sure they're nicely manicured. You can throw some aesthetic gloves on. The whole thing is to make it feel like a vibe. So the second type of marketing material that you can use for your DHGate affiliate, you can do styling videos. So you can style outfits, you can style shoes, you can match shoes with bags. If you're doing hair, you can style the hair. You guys get the idea. The third type of marketing material you guys can do is aesthetic videos, which is something that I mentioned earlier on in the video. Aesthetic videos will always win because it just feels like, yes, I need that. Like the way you're showcasing it in an aesthetic way. You can go ahead and go on Amazon and buy like cute decor like this, super affordable things just to make your videos look more aesthetically pleasing. That's gonna play a major part in people actually purchasing through your link. The thing we're gonna talk about is link in bio, because you want to have a link in your bio so people can click on that link and then see the products in your bio and be able to shop those products. So a lot of people use Linktree. I actually use Canva because I like that I can design a actual website looking page where I can have a picture for every product, and then if the person wants that product, they would click on the picture and be directed to DHGate within my link. It just makes the whole entire buying process easier. You don't want them to have to keep strolling or keep going through this link to go through that link. No, you want everything to be very forward and look, click the link and buy it. That's it. Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you guys about the most important part, which is actually applying to your samples, because this is going to determine whether or not you are approved or denied, because you can be denied by a brand if they don't want to work with you. But most of the time, if you are denied by a brand when you requested a sample from DHGate, it is because your content does not go with the product that you're requesting. Like if you are a person who does nails, and your page is full of nails, that's all you see is nails, and you go to try to request shoes, they're gonna deny you. So you have to stick to what your page posts already, if that makes sense. Like my page is sort of lifestyle, so I post everything. I have bags on my page, I have shoes on my page. So that's how my page is set up. If your page is not set up that way, then I would highly suggest that you go ahead and start posting and creating content according to whatever product you want to promote, whatever product you're trying to get commissions for. So if you want to be smart and you're doing this specifically to make money, I would go on the platform because you are able to see which products will earn you the most commission. You can go and select highest commission, and you will definitely see products that you can promote for 60% commission. So I would definitely go in there and look at all those products, and then I would try to put my page according to that product. So if this product is 60% commission and I'm gonna be earning like $40, $50 from a product, and it's a handbag, I would go in my closet and start posting handbag content. So when you go to apply, these brands are going to approve you because it's content that they already see on your page. What I want you guys to do is make your pitch as professional and short, and make it seem like you're gonna be providing their company with value. Like you're gonna be bringing them value. That's how you want your pitch to be. And if you guys don't have no idea what to write for your pitch, you can use ChatGPT. I always tell you guys this, those AI apps, they are amazing. If you're a newbie, I'm giving you guys the prompt that you guys can put. You pitch for an affiliate program that I'm trying to join. I have 2 million followers, I have 10,000 followers, and I'm looking to promote their products to my audience. They will literally, this program will literally generate you a whole entire message, and then it's up to you to take that message and shorten it to make it nice and short and sweet. Also, when you are requesting samples, you want to make sure that you're including your size and your color of the product that you want, and also take a screenshot and upload the file so nothing's getting mixed up and they know exactly what you want. You want this whole process to be very short and sweet and straight to the point. Sample, it's up to them to approve or deny you. If they deny you, then you can apply to another sample. If they approve you, then the process moves along pretty fast. Everything will always say awaiting approval. Once you're approved, Then it's going to be the product is shipped, and then once you get it, you promote it, and then you upload your media link from whichever platform that you posted about that product, and then you're able to track and see how many orders you get from that, how many clicks you get from that, and everything is pretty much straightforward. I feel like this is one of the most easiest affiliate programs ever. Like, it's easier than Amazon. And you guys, I'm in a lot of affiliate programs. This one is just super easy and very beginner friendly. That pretty much sums up the entire video. I think that I explained everything really good. If you're a beginner, you can definitely use this video and take it and become an affiliate. And not only become an affiliate, you can become very good at it. Like, use ChatGPT to pitch to brands. Make sure you put in your WhatsApp. Use your largest social media platform, you guys, your largest social media platform. Keep thinking of ways to make more content. Don't just create one piece of content and expect to sell 1,000 orders and make a bunch of money of commission. No, you have to keep promoting. It's just like a business. You have to keep promoting. You have to keep marketing, you guys. This doesn't happen overnight, and you have to put the work in. Like, don't expect to post once and then just blow up. It doesn't work like that, you guys. You got to put the work in. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I'm really happy to make this video because you guys, 60% commission. I don't think you guys understand. It's an amazing opportunity. So definitely jump on it. Of course, I'm going to have my link below for you guys to sign up. If you are a influencer or creator and you're watching this video and you want your people to sign up, you can do the same thing and create an affiliate link under yourself and have people sign up. It's up to you. Like, it's all up to you. So my link will be in the description. So if you want to skip out the whole process of waiting to see if you got approved for samples, go ahead and drop your email in the comments, and I will email you the email to my manager, and then you will have my manager as a manager literally right away. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. You guys, jump on this program before it becomes oversaturated, because it is starting to pick up on TikTok. So definitely jump on this program, you guys. Don't sleep on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Those of you who are mothers, tomorrow's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Tomorrow is for you, even though Mother's Day should be every day. But yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Peace and much love. Bye guys.